Look closely at the tools you open every morning. Artificial intelligence is already there, embedded in the software we use throughout the day. We are well past the point of wondering whether this technology matters. The only interesting question left is what exactly we do next now that it is sitting on our desks. Right now, highly capable professionals are spending their evenings testing new applications, wrestling with prompts, and hitting frustrating dead ends, mostly entirely alone. Trying to master a technological shift of this size in a silo guarantees one outcome: complete professional exhaustion. The current approach is filled with friction. We scroll endless feeds, read through conflicting release notes, and try to separate marketing hype from what actually works, all without a sounding board. Professionals trading real-world results find their edge long before the rest of the field catches up with the latest social media threats. This diagram compares a single isolated node against an interconnected cluster. It illustrates collective intelligence, a room full of capable people comparing notes on the exact problems they have individually solved. To gain a real technological edge, we have to move away from isolated trial and error and start sharing our verified experiments. AI Strong is built specifically for this transition. It is an active, global platform grounded by local chapters, designed for professionals who are already in the trenches doing the work. We operate as a community of practice. That means small, candid circles where members share unvarnished truths about their actual workflows, what succeeded and what failed. We skip the theoretical debates entirely. The focus is strictly on applied skills and practical techniques that deliver immediate returns. The standard we set for every gathering is simple. You need to leave the room with a tool or technique that earns back its time by Monday. Consider a common friction point. Imagine spending 4 hours every Friday manually reviewing messy client meeting transcripts just to write out the team's action items. At a local AI Strong meetup, you mention this struggle. Another member immediately speaks up, explains they have already solved this exact issue, and walks you through their proven method. This 3-stage flowchart maps their solution. It begins by ingesting the raw meeting audio and automatically converting it into a single block of unstructured text. Next, that text runs through a specific prompt chain, filtering out small talk to isolate definitive commitments. Finally, a background automation tool routes those categorized tasks directly into your team's project management software. By copying this peer-reviewed workflow, you entirely bypass the weeks of trial and error it took to build it, immediately reclaiming those 4 hours of your work week. One hyper-specific exchange of practical knowledge between two peers eliminates hours of isolated friction. The cycle continues when you take that borrowed workflow, apply it to your own specific industry, and discover a small adjustment that makes it run even faster. You then publish that newly optimized version back to the global AI Strong portal. This map visualizes the network effect in action. A single iteration mapped in one city triggers cascading updates across multiple global hubs, instantly upgrading the operational speed of professionals everywhere. The energy generated in a local chapter flows directly back into the wider network, continuously sharpening the skills of the entire community. Multiply that single workflow by thousands of micro-exchanges happening simultaneously across the platform every single day. We have built a space where individual expertise becomes a shared advantage, ensuring every person in the room becomes sharper through the group's collective experiments. The community model operates on a clear principle. When one person solves a complex problem, the entire collective moves faster. Because these tools evolve faster than we can track individually, pooling what we have actually proven to work is the most reliable way to stay ahead of the curve. Bring the verified wins you have already secured, and bring the messy problems you are still struggling to figure out. Open the digital platform, find a local discussion group, and join an upcoming event. Share just one technique that is working for you, and you will leave with a tool that is sharper than what you brought in. Visit the AI Strong portal, claim your open local seat, and join the movement today. While the rest of the professional world waits for permission or instruction, we are getting AI ready together.